Hey everybody, what's going on? Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be installing our LED license plate light assemblies on 2017 to 2022 Ford Super Duty trucks. Let's get into it.
Our LED license plate lights are a simple upgrade that makes a big impact. Designed to be 15 times brighter than stock, they deliver a crisp, white light that enhances visibility, improves safety, and gives your truck a clean, modern look. Installation is quick and hassle-free thanks to the plug-and-play design, and the durable, waterproof construction means they're built to weather the storm mile after mile. Whether you're aiming to be a showstopper or just have better nighttime visibility, these LED lights are the high-performance upgrade your truck's been missing. A couple of things to note before we get into the install. The procedure outlined in this video is for 17 to 22 Ford Super Duty trucks. If your vehicle is a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment and availability, and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it.
Looking underneath the vehicle on the driver's side, right in front of the tow hitch assembly, you'll see the factory license plate light. To uninstall the factory light, you'll need to press in on these three tabs on the sides and bottom of the housing. Now, with a long screwdriver, press the tab on the back of the light and use a trim tool or another screwdriver to help pry the housing free from the outside.
With the OEM license plate light detached from the bumper, go ahead and pull it through its slot. We're going to take the bulb socket, turn it counterclockwise, and then remove it from the OEM assembly. Take the bulb or the LED out of its socket. Now we've got our Boost Auto LED license plate light assembly. Pull the socket out of the assembly. We're going to insert it into the OEM bulb socket. Either way is fine. Once that's done, make sure the wires are inserted into the assembly. Line up the tabs that are on the bulb sockets. And once it's in, twist it clockwise to lock it in place. Be mindful of this notch. You're going to insert it in its slot first. And then once it seats, push the rest of the assembly in. All right, repeat that same process on the other license plate bulb assembly. That about wraps it up for the installation of our LED license plate light assemblies on this 2017 to 2022 Ford Super Duty truck. If you're a fan of these LED license plate lights, head on over to boostauto.com today to see all the products we have to offer for your build, such as these tow mirror lights or these M2 illuminated power running boards. Once again, thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you on the next one.
The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We are proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.